Hi everyone, I'm Suyog from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to share your CapCut profile. Sharing your profile makes it easier for others to follow your work and collaborate with you. So let's get started on how to share your CapCut profile. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap on the Me option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the share icon located right beside the edit profile option. Now, tap on the copy button to copy your profile link to your clipboard. Finally, paste the copied link into any messaging app or platform to share your CapCut profile with others. And this is how you can share your CapCut profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.